Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix front camera not working on iPhone after iOS 18 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1, check your camera setting. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on privacy and security. Scroll up, tap on camera. You can see appears on screen all applications toggle turn on and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is check screen time. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on screen time. You can see appears on screen. Tap on content and privacy instructions. Tap on allowed apps, camera toggle off and turn on, and go back. You can see appears on screen. Tap on photos and select allow changes under the photo app and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is reset all settings. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen reset all settings. This will reset all settings, no data media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is remove iPhone screen glass protector. Does not cover the front camera. If it cover, remove them and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact withpower.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix front camera not working on iPhone after iOS 18 update successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.